Hi everyone, and welcome back to Big OGGIE World and our first recipe. This recipe is from the Sainsbury's magazine, and we are going to be making sticky spiced apple pork belly slices for our...
I'm glad you don't stutter. Go on, say that again.
Sticky spiced apple pork belly slices.
They taste better than they sound.
Well, and it's a very simple recipe, so this weather, heat wave, it's got to be done, guys. So this is a two-part recipe, your meat and your marinade. So basically, you take a small bowl and you put all of the ingredients for the marinade, wet and dry, into your small bowl. And you give it a really good mix. There's quite a lot of dry, so do make sure you incorporate it properly. And I have to say, it smells absolutely wonderful. Once you've mixed all of your marinade, take your belly slices. Now, with belly slices, you do not want belly slices with rind on. And you also don't want belly slices with too much fat on, because this is a slow cook recipe. And if there's too much fat, it's going to be way too greasy. You can add up on this recipe to increase it, or you can just do what we're doing. Put half of your marinade into the bowl with the belly slices. Save the other half to later. It's vitally important. Do not lose it. Then you mix your belly slices with the marinade. Give it a good old massage.
I do love a massage belly.
Then take a baking tray which is lined with greaseproof paper and lay your belly slices in. Please try not to stack them, so you want a single layer if at all possible. And do not waste any of that gorgeous marinade, it's too precious to waste. When the belly is cooked, you could finish it off on a barbecue, which would be perfect for this weather, but you don't have to. Okay, so once you've got your pork into your lined baking tray, you need to double wrap with foil. So my foil's not that wide, so I'm going to have to do it crossways. But you must do 2 layers. Second layer. Make sure it's sealed as best you can. This baking tray has got a lovely lip, so I can pack it all in. And that goes into the oven at 160 for 1.5 hours. And come back for the second bit. Okay, so it's been in the oven now for 1.5 hours. We now need to increase the oven temperature to 220, which is really quite high. And then we're going to add the rest of the marinade to the pork and just crisp it up for 15 more minutes. So let's get it out the oven. What do you think, John?
Looks very good. Looks very good. Smells great.
I'm just going to add the rest of the marinade now to the pork. Back in for 15 more minutes and then we're done. Okay, so it's had its extra 15 minutes at 220 degrees. Let's get it out and see what it looks like. And there we have it. Sticky spiced apple pork belly slices. Smells wonderful, and I will be serving it for tea in a little minute with some plain boiled rice, which is what the magazine recommends. But obviously you can use whatever you would like. Come back and see us again soon. Please subscribe, hit the buttons, and come back for more fun. Bye for now.